Shanneek, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm just going to be showing you this lash kit I got off Amazon. It's a lash kit to start, like, you know, your lash journey to be a lash tech, and that's what I'm in the works of doing. It's probably going to be a quick little 5-minute video, probably not even that, but I feel like this is a good kit. I'm going to start practicing on it tonight. If y'all see this video uploaded, obviously it's a good kit and I like it, so yeah. Let's just get into the video. You guys can see what all comes in the kit and how much I spent for the kit, and everything will be linked below. I ordered this lash kit to begin my lash experience off Amazon, or my lash journey off Amazon, and I wasn't gonna record, but I was like, this is a well put together kit, so I might as well. Look at this little bag they gave. This bag is cute. This crocodile purple, I don't know, but it's cute. In the bag, which I think this was like $40. Yeah, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 sets of lash strips to put on the mannequin, and this is the mannequin. This is the back, that's the front. Basically what you would do, you know, you would put the lash strips from here onto the mannequin head, and the mannequin head feels good, actually. It feels real good. Okay now. Okay, this is a nice bag. I'm shooketh. This mirror is not really a mirror. Oh, unless you gotta take a film off of it. Is there a film you're supposed to take off? I'm trying to take the mirror out of here, and I done pulled up the back, but you're gonna super glue that back in there. So it comes with a mirror in here, which is pretty cool. Oh, y'all get, well, I gotta take the backpack off to put this in, to be honest. Y'all getting creative. They even came with pockets to hold, like, I guess your brushes or your tweezers. This is what the case looks like. Really nice, really put together. Here are the lashes. They gave me C, and they came with the mixed tray for C. Hammer died, but I'm gonna go over everything one more time. I really don't know the exact price. Like I said, this is either $40 or like $36 I paid for it, but it came with the mannequin. It came with 10 lashes for you to put on the mannequin, and then you have your eyelash extensions right here, which is a C mixed tray, all the way from 8 to 15, which is pretty good lengths. It came with a lash tile, as you can see here, right there. I have a lot of microfiber brushes with the spoolies, the glue stickers, a whole lot of eye patches. I have the glue remover, the tweezers, which, you know, they're just basic tweezers. They're not like the best tweezers you're gonna find. Like, you know, you're supposed to invest in your tweezers, so this is just a practice kit. And then you have the what are these called again? Glue rings. The lash glue right here. 2 rolls of tape. This is the eyelash cleansing solution, so you know you're supposed to cleanse the eyelashes before you start. And then this is the package that everything came in, which is super cute. I will definitely reuse this for whatever it may be. This is how the inside looks. I think this is a great little just a starter kit. This is a great starter kit because it comes with everything you will need to practice, which is not bad at all. Like A+. So if you guys have any questions on this, please let me know. But if you guys have any questions, please let me know. I think I'll be recording this journey and posting it, so you guys can see like my eyelash tech journey. I definitely want a video when I go and get my certificate in Tallahassee, so I'll video that for y'all. But the link for this little lash kit will be in the description. If you guys have any questions or anything, please let me know. I'm learning just like you. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Stay pretty and spoiled, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.